What's up guys? All good? My name is Donna. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Ageless Knees before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Ageless Knees works. What is the Ageless Knees program? Chris Ohocinski, a licensed and nationally certified athletic trainer with a BS in athletic training sports medicine from East Stroudsburg University, is the mastermind behind the Ageless Knees program. Currently serving as the supervisor of sports medicine in the Whitehall-Copley School District, Chris drew inspiration for the program after witnessing patients struggle with knee rehabilitation for over a decade. Observing individuals resorting to painkillers and NSAIDs during their recovery, and witnessing extreme measures such as knee surgery and reliance on supplements like MSM, glucosamine, and chondroitin, Chris identified a flawed approach to knee rehab. Recognizing the need for a better solution, he utilized his expertise to create a straightforward system to aid people in recovering knee health, enhancing mobility, and increasing range of motion without resorting to surgery, medications, or supplements. Through extensive research, Chris pinpointed the root cause of knee pain, the femoral nerve. Running from the lumbar spine to the front of the leg, this nerve controls the quadriceps and hip flexors, crucial for movements like squatting, lunging, and walking. A sedentary lifestyle often leads to dysfunction in this nerve, causing pain during basic knee joint movements. Drawing insights from research conducted at the University of San Francisco, USC, and Boston University, Chris developed an exercise system and introduced the Miracle Massage Wand as a unique tool. Termed electroacupuncture, this technique forms the foundation of the Ageless Knees system. By combining these methods with targeted rehabilitation exercises, Chris observed significant improvements in his clients' knee mobility, range of motion, and a reduction in pain symptoms. What do I get with the Ageless Knees program? The Ageless Knees system features 4 components to help you get the most out of your rehabilitation program. You only need 7 minutes daily to experience a pain-free life. Here's what you get with the Ageless Knees program. Ageless Knees DVD. This DVD gives you a complete visual guide to the Ageless Knees system. It features instructional videos you can follow in real time to perfect your form and get the most out of your therapy. The system is user-friendly, and even beginners with no rehab experience will find it easy to follow Chris as he walks you through the routine. Ageless Knees digital downloads. You don't need to wait for the hard copy of the Ageless Knees program to arrive at your doorstep. You can get started right away with these digital instructional lessons. These video lessons will play on your Windows or Mac laptop, or you can view them on a phone with any operating system. Restore your knees, feel alive. Ageless Knees digital handbook. This guide gives you a full breakdown of all the exercises involved in the Ageless Knees program. You get step-by-step instructions on how to complete the tasks, with visual explanations that are easy to follow and execute, without the assistance of a trained professional. Miracle Massage Wand. This tool is the heart of the system. It jumpstarts your femoral nerve, allowing you to get the most out of your therapy sessions. The wand releases a light electrical current to the nerve, activating it. Medical research on electrical pulses and their impact on the nervous system shows they temper pain and allow you to complete the exercises with the best range of motion possible, pain-free.